In this problem there is a fraction, but the underlying rule is all the same, which is nothing but linear pair sum will be 180 degrees. All we need to do is go for the LCM and we have the answer bang in our hands. Here 5 ones, 536 and 36 6 comes to 216. Therefore x value is nothing but 216. Another simple sum to deal with, the sum of as many angles is always 180 degrees, because basically AOB is a line and the sum of all the angles is 180 degrees, because AOB is a line. Now there is no pair of angles, it's a group of angles. So sum is 5x and this is 5 ones, 536, therefore x value is 36. The next problem is nothing but we have 100 and this will be obviously 80 degrees as we know, but since we have to represent it in the proper fashion, AOB being a line, the sum of angles is 180 degrees, and then we have to approach this problem. 100 minus 4x 180 and 4x will be 80 and x will be 20, because 4 20s is 80. Once again the same representation as has been gone with the previous ones. Now this is also the sum of all these angles comes to 180 degrees, because AOB is a line. Whatever sentence we write out in geometry, it has to be substantiated is a straight line. Bringing all the like terms of these equation in one place, we have 4x minus 8 is 180. Now I want to take 4 common out of this equation, which will make life simple, which is 4 ones, 4 fours and 4 fives. Now my x is 47 degrees. Since all we need to know is the value of x and need not to deduce all the angles, there ends this problem. This is degrees. Now all these 3 angles come to 180 degrees. Sum of these comes to 180 degrees, and we know that we have been doing these sums. Now AOB is a line is the substantiation for this statement, and after that please bring the like terms to one place to facilitate easy resolution of the math here. Now from this I wish to take this common, which will facilitate an easy resolution of my problem. 15 ones, 15 12s, 180, and now my x will be less of 12, which is 8 degrees. These are the tricks to do the problems very easily without committing any mistakes and quickly, and this is the reason why I give you certain tips and tricks to follow in the methods of doing maths to do it absolutely fast.